Good day to all Linux Deck viewers out there, and in this video we'll be discussing how to create a name range by using selection option and what is the purpose of using this particular feature. Also, we'll be seeing how these name ranges can be used and utilized within different formulas. So let's start. The very first question that we have is why we are using this particular method, that is selection, to name a particular range. So for example, if you have data which is pretty long or you have columns with long data like this one, so instead of selecting each column and using it as a name range, what you can actually do is you can select this particular data like I am doing it in this case, and make sure that you are selecting it with the header. The purpose of selecting this data with the header is that you can use this header within your cell name range. So you'll go to this formula tab, and then within this define name ribbon you have to select create from selection. Now you have got 4 different options to name your range. You can either select the top row as the name of your ranges. You can select left column, which I have neglected in this case, or it could be week 1, week 2, week 3 and so on. And the other 2 options are bottom row and right column. So these are the 4 ways you can name your range automatically. I'll use the top row option and I'll click OK. See what happens. So quickly and easily I have created 3 different ranges, long ranges in fact. And if I would like to see the method, is you have to click this drop down button and see the 3 ranges are there: January, February and March. As we have selected the option use top row as the name of the range, so you can see that these are available here as cell name ranges. Now instead of making a different cell range by selecting individual columns or maybe then naming all these columns, you can use this method if you are working with large data. So this is the very first part of our video, and now in the second part we'll see how we can use these ranges or any of the ranges within our formula. So we'll utilize the range within the basic formula of sum. To start with an is equals to sign, use sum formula, open your bracket, and then go to the same tab which is formula. Then you'll see within this ribbon that the option is available or enable, which is use in formula. Click on the drop down menu and tell Excel which cell range you would like to use. I would like to use January, February. So these are the 2 ranges which I would like to use in this particular formula. I'll click enter and here is the sum. So you don't need to write anything again and again, and this method will let you calculate all the cell range values easily and quickly. So you can use this in different formulas and different functions and according to the requirement. Let's do it again. You have to write, I'll use the formula sum is equals to, and within this ribbon that is define names, I'll use in formula and I'll select March, and I'll use January. So the sum, as you can see that the highlighting columns are B, that is January and March, which I have selected in this formula, and the color of the column reflects the same value which I have written down within formula. So January is red and here it is highlighted as red, and March is blue and here it is highlighted as blue. Hit enter and here it is. So it's easy, convenient and quick to use. So please use this formula and make sure that you are providing us with your feedback, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, that is Learner Deck. Thanks for watching this video.